Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a probe is now underway into the seizure of several guns and ammunition at the Sangster International Airport in St. James. A Florida man who was reportedly traveling on a Jamaican passport has been arrested. Now, the guns, which were wrapped in clothing, socks and foil paper, were discovered in his suitcase during a routine check. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang spoke with our news center about the development.
It was a good find. It's a find that while I think there was 7 firearms in whole, the additional bits and pieces could have given additional weapon, which is why the count of 24 has been propagated. But they're doing some sensitive investigation, and we hope to make some good finds very soon.
Now, Dr. Chang is reassuring the public of the systems in place to detect prohibited items at the ports of entry. The Jamaica Customs Agency and the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division are responsible for carrying out these checks.
The monitoring of the ports has become more effective in the last year or so. And I think they've had some additional equipment, which is they're not yet completely re-equipped the force in terms of scanning, but they have been far more alert. We brought in the commissioner to the Security Council, I think, last year, and so that we could increase their sensitivity to the activities there. And I think they have really improved they have escalated their own activities, and it is proving very successful.